All right, so today's homework is just kind of like to see what you guys know and then how you guys would figure it out. So I'm not really supposed to help you guys too much on this, but let me see here. I'm still gonna try just a little bit. So this first part says think, right? This is what the question is. Mrs. Gonzalez went to Starbucks this morning, and while waiting to place her order of her caramel frappuccino, she noticed the prices for three sizes that were available. She could order the tall for 12 ounce for $3.95, a grande 16 ounce for $4.45, and a venti 20 ounce for $4.95. So what is the better deal? That's what we're trying to figure out, right? That's the main part of our question. What is our better deal? So, oh, that didn't work the way I wanted it to. So we're gonna work on this part where it says share. Do any math work here? So we have three different sizes here, right? 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 20 ounces. So in class today, we're learning about ratios. So I'm just gonna tell you guys, you're gonna put ounces over money, right? To figure out, and then compare it like we were doing fractions. So the first one, let's say it's tall. So it's 12 ounces, right? And it's gonna be over 395. Oops, not 385, or not 384, 395. All right, so that's my first fraction, right? So if you guys remember what we did in class, we were trying to compare to see if they were equal fractions. We would simplify it, right, and get it down to a number. So how can I simplify? How can I turn this number right here into a 1? What am I gonna have to divide by? Well, I'm gonna have to divide by 12, right? So if I divide this by 12, oh man, let me try that again. If I divide this by 12, I'm gonna have to divide the bottom by 12 as well. So let me do that. Now if we're going back to what we've learned in the past, 12 divided by 12 equals 1, right? That's gonna equal 1 on the top. For our bottom, 395 divided by 12, that's gonna be kind of tough. So I'm gonna go in and out. So 395 goes in the house. 12 goes on the outside. And I gotta work it out. So once you work this out, you'll have like how much it is for 1 ounce on the tall side, right? And then you're gonna have to do it again for grande and for venti to see what those are, and then you can figure out which one is the best deal. So if I were to scroll down real quick, let me see here if I can work out some of this for you guys. 12 goes into here 3 times, right? Because then I would get 36, and I'm running out of space, so I'm actually gonna give myself some more room. You might need to work it out on a separate sheet of paper, right? So I got 36. I'm gonna subtract now. And I'll get left with 3. Bring down my 5. So now I got 35. And this can't go in there 3 times, so it's gonna be, oh man, I keep missing today, guys. Try that again. There we go. So 12 times 2 is 24. I'm gonna subtract this. I get left with 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. I can add a 0 because I'm already after a decimal. And then I can bring it down. So I have 110 now. How many times can 12 go in 110? Well, 12 times 10 would be 120. So I know it's not going to be that. It's going to be one number below. So what is 12 times 9? Let's see here. So yeah, this takes a lot of work, right? Just for one question. I don't know if she's going to let you guys use a calculator, but Let me see here. 12 times 2 is 18. I'm gonna bring my 1. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I got 108. All right. Sorry, that subtraction sign shouldn't have been there. So I got 108 now. Let me keep working down. And then if I keep working, I'm gonna have a 2. And I don't really need to go this far anymore, because as long as I have a few numbers, after my decimal, remember if I raise my roof, my decimal should be straight up. Oops, jeez, I am all over the place, guys. As far as my, let me try this again. So if I raise my roof on my decimal, it's just gonna go straight up. So it should be here. So I have 0.32. If I can just go to 2 ounces, or I'm sorry, 2 numbers of the hundreds place, I would round, right? 9 would go up, so this would be kind of 0.33. So my first one is about 0.33 dollars per ounce, right? So for 1 ounce, it's 33 cents basically. So you're gonna have to keep doing that for the other 2 and see what those ounce rates are, and then we can figure out which is the best deal. And then you would have to explain it in writing. I know this is kind of confusing, guys, but honestly, we just wanted to see what you guys know how to do, so try your best, and good luck.